The voice producing organ is larynx. The enzyme that digests protein in stomach is called pepsin. Which blood test is used to detect inflammation? ESR. The normal urine specific gravity is 1.0052 to 1.030. The basic unit of heredity is gene. The main function of hemoglobin is transport oxygen. The normal respiration ratio is 1:2. Which vitamin is essential for vision? Vitamin A. Which gland controls growth? Pituitary gland. The instrument used to check temperature is thermometer. Which structure covers lungs? Pleura. Which is the largest vein in the body? Inferior vena cava. The smallest bone of middle ear is stapes. Which hormone is called fight or flight hormone? Adrenaline. The functional unit of nervous system is neuron. The organ of hearing is ear. The organ of vision is eye. The main organ of taste is tongue. The sense of smell is controlled by olfactory nerve. The average lifespan of WBC is few hours to days. Which bone is also called collarbone? Clavicle. The functional unit of skeletal muscle is sarcomere. Which hormone controls milk secretion? Prolactin. Which hormone controls milk ejection? Oxytocin. Which blood cells are called soldiers of body? WBC. The heart sound laugh is due to closure of atrioventricular valves. The heart sound dup is due to closure of semilunar valves. The universal RBC donor is O negative. The universal plasma donor is A. The universal plasma recipient is AB. The fluid that lubricates joints is synovial fluid. Which chamber of heart has the thickest wall? Left ventricle. The largest cranial nerve is trigeminal nerve. The normal respiratory center is located in middle oblongata. The blood vessel that supplies kidney is renal artery. Which organ stores vitamin A? Liver. The number of spinal nerves is 31st pairs. 31টা pairs. Which vitamin deficiency causes bleeding tendency? Vitamin K. The average weight of brain is 1200 থেকে 1400 গ্রাম. The main function of skin is protection. স্কিনের মেন কাজ হচ্ছে প্রোটেকশন.